Good morning, friends, fellow traders, my students, my subscribers. I greet you all. My name is Samuel, communicating from the land of the rising sun. Today is Saturday, 5th day of October 2024. I want to bring you my weekly analysis based on a different method of Elliott Wave for forex, commodities, crypto, and whatever that is tradable can be analyzed analyzed technically with Elliott Wave. Okay. First of all, if this is the first time you're watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. If you want to continue seeing this video on a weekly basis, share, subscribe, make a comment, express your opinion. Is the video helpful to you? Drop it on the comment section. If the video doesn't make sense, drop it to the comment section. I want to know whether you are following what I'm saying or I'm not talking to myself. Okay, last week, from Monday to yesterday, wasn't that good for me. I hope to make lots of money on yen pays, but it didn't happen. And of course, in trading, you don't get what you want all the time. Sometimes your expectation can fall short. But what's most important is don't trade carelessly. I keep saying it, that the market is at the reversal zone doesn't mean it must reverse. That is, if this pair drop to this place, not a must that it will reverse here. It can do something like this and keep going down. So if you drop here, you look for reversal pattern before you buy. So I'm saying it as a reminder because such happens so many times while we are trading yen pairs during the week, and I couldn't make much money as I expected. Rather, most of my trades end up at the break even. Some even end up with small losses. And of course, I keep saying that before for you to be a good trader, is either you make big profit, small loss, or break even. If you're making big losses, it's a sign that you still have to learn, because if you're unlucky in a particular week or day, you make 3-4 big losses at a stretch, you will end up blowing your account. Okay, so now we have some difficulties because market is at zone of decision, or let's say decision and indecision. For instance, this is DXY, where I normally start. You know for that my bias is that this is wave A. That this is wave A. You know that. Then this is wave B. We expect to begin soon. Now, this wave A, B, C. This wave C is where we have problem now. So let me zoom the chart to say what I mean by problem. Okay, just a brief lesson for those who can understand. Now, if I zoom the chart out, now what we now facing here is that, as you can see, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Sure. Now, is this wave 5? Because it's haven't gotten to the reversal zone. Sometimes it will truncate and keep going. Then this can be an A, B, C as wave 4. Then this will be wave 5. Another one, this can be an W, X, Y, what we call expanding flat. Then it will still drop. So why am I showing you this? If the markets keep dropping and dropping, don't be confused. We have two things here. The market will not come to this place now. Then it will keep going up. It means that this is wave 1. Then wave 2 can happen anywhere and keep going. or it will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then begin to go up. So which one do you think will happen? I don't know. I don't know. But the point is that maybe before Tuesday, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will know what will happen. But for now, I don't know. So let's go to 4 hours and 1 hour. I won't explain much again on other pays. I can only do this on DY and USD because two of them determine what happens in the market. Now, coming to 4 hours, you can see we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Now, this wave 5 can still be wave C of expanding flats, and we will get this. Then this wave 5 can be wave 1 of a new beginning. Then we will get A, B, C. No matter where it ends, then we begin to buy. Remember, if this is wave 1, wave 2 can come as low as this place and begin to buy. So all these things is what we learn if you join our class. Later, I forget, I have, at the bottom of this video, you will see links to my Telegram channel. I have 3 Telegram channels. 2 is free, 1 is for students and VIP. So if you like my style of trading and you would like to learn from me, I have a mentorship program that is very, very organized. And we also fix one-on-one lesson. If you are willing, if you after have watched, I have about 18 videos recorded. You will watch. After watching those videos, and you still want to, you still need some questions one-on-one. If it's time for one-on-one, I do that without stress because I have the time now. Now I have the time. I don't know about tomorrow, next in years to come. I don't know, but for now, I still have time for one-on-one lessons. So make use of the opportunity. So now, having said this, you keep watch the whenever the buying setup will come. But for now, I see that it will sell for now. Whether it will sell all the way down, I don't know, or it will sell as correction, I don't know. So having said that, let's continue. USD cards. USD card, I still see it as the market that will sell. But for now, this looks like an ABC. The ABC can turn to be 1, 2, 3. It can turn to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if this happens, then you don't see this, you won't see new low again. But if it reverses at this reversal zone, you will definitely get a new low. So for now, it's left for you to go down to 1 hour charts, time frame, and look for sell. Okay, so I don't think today's analysis will not take time because there's no much changes. But I want to show you that the possibility, I'm still expecting to drop to this zone. Okay, unless it will abandon this bigger correction because this looks like a big correction. Like this is with A, B, C, or maybe or still we may get an expanding flat as with B, something like this. Then it will drop. But whatever that will happen, even if this will happen before dropping, we will likely sell maybe a little before it will now go up before dropping. Or it can go all the way, drop from this reversal zone. Remember, the reversal zone I'm showing you is based on lower time frame, like 1 hour. On this 4 hours, we can get B as an expanding flat. Okay, so have that in mind. USDHF, similar situation. USDHF, this is the active pattern, unless it goes higher. If it doesn't go higher, if it goes higher, then it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then correction and buy. But for now, it is just like an A, B, C that we sell again. So you still go down to 1 hour or even 15 minutes to get sell set up. It is at the reversal zone, but no sell set up yet. Unless you want to sell on the hill side. In that case, You place a stop loss here. If not far by the way you trade, you can place stop loss here and sell. But mind you, if it will stop transform as an impulse, your stop will likely hit, or if you are lucky, it would hit. Then when it makes an ABC, you close it. USD. I've explained what I'm supposed to explain here on DSY. It is always the inverse. But USD have something clearer to say. USD is showing us a good example of expanding flat, WXY. So I think we will look for buy setup here. Even if it won't go higher and make a new high, it will at least make something like this before dropping. So anyway, let me show you what daily again. So the daily chart, just like DXY, it's haven't come into the reversal zone. Take a look. And now the possibility of A, B, C having completed is there. Then the dropping will start. So, but you don't have to presume, because as I said, this is a 1, 2. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The wave 3 is a perfect wave count. Then this wave 4 can be this drop, or it can even make A, B, C, or C buy before selling, or it can even transform to this before can transform to A, B, C, D, E triangle buy before selling. So all these things is what you will have in mind when you are trading. Okay, that's daily chart. I don't want this video to be long, so I won't be explaining all these things again. You can see what happened on 1 hour. This thing has created a kind of problem, because unless you are experienced, you won't know what you will do because of this, because markets have to close above it before you can confirm a buy. But you can confirm a buy around here if you have experience. That one I cannot tell you here. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. The same issue. Will it begin to buy from here? Here is our reversal zone. Or will it correct and keep dropping? So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with A, with B, with C before buying. So let me go to 4 hours. Remember, this is my bias on A, B, C. This drop might have started. This is okay. Now let me zoom the chart a bit. After this wave B, you can see we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what again do you expect? I think the selling have started. Meanwhile, looking at 1 hour, this can be our wave 1 of the big move. Then we get A, B, C. Then selling continues. So the buying is buying correction. I don't think we are having a new high for now. Maybe USD is affecting it. That's why is that also so. If the transaction has happened on DSY and USD, then this one won't give us a new high for now. AUD/USD, sure, have a big place to go in buying. I'll show you daily once more. You can see what we have here. The broken of this channel, you can see it. It's a good sign that we are having bullish move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. So maybe it will continue buying. The question is, will you catch the wave 3? Are you experienced enough to catch wave 3? Because this is wave 1. And remind you, wave 2 can go as wave 2 can go as low as coming to this place. As long as it didn't come below wave 1, it can still go, or this can be an A, B, C before it will begin to buy. So I don't know how I will help you on this, other than if you are on my Telegram channel, on the free channel, sometimes I feel not sometimes, from time to time, I share free setups. So maybe I will share this, or I will share this around the USD. Whether it will buy from here as I expected, or it will make a double correction, because this is a single correction. So for now, there's no way I can know what will happen. Using the USD, the same situation, the same situation. This can be with A, B, C before it begin to buy. As long as it doesn't go below this place, below 0.5848, it is a bullish move, because it is clear. It's clear, no doubt. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. After that, A, B, C. Then it can make W, X, Y. So, wow, to continue. BT25 and yen page. This is where I have disappointments, where I expected to make lots of money, but they didn't give me the money I was looking for. So now, but let's face the facts. The fact is that when you zoom out this market, it will be difficult for you to assume that you will not have a further correction. If you zoom out the chart, it is good to zoom out the chart so that you will see for a long time. So after all this move, one, two, three, four, five, then this is the only correction. I doubt. I need to see something bigger, or maybe a kind of triangle. They're like A, B, C, D, E. Then okay, let me zoom the chart. Let's face what we are facing. So now, because this is what I expected that will happen. It happened on all the yen pairs. After this big drop, I was expecting it to drop, sell from here. Even if it will go up, it will do something like this before going up. But it keep okay, let me not go to 4 hours. So after this big drop, I expected to continue after making an ABC. This was my expectation. Yeah. Oh. A, B, C, then it will sell. Rather, it doesn't do that. It keeps going up. Meanwhile, my trade is still open. Here is my stop loss. It is open, but I didn't expect it to go this higher, because two things is involved here. If this can turn to be leading diagonal, though it is still that an ABC, okay, or WXY. Okay, let me go to 1 hour. I think it will be clearer on 1 hour. So this looks like a WXY. But meanwhile, whenever you have 5 waves, whenever you see 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it can change to become wave 1. Then you have A, B, C. Then it can keep going that direction. It can serve as wave C, wave W, sorry, wave Y. Then it begin to go down. And I think it begin to go down. Okay, so let's keep watching what will happen. JPY, the same situation. I expected it to begin to sell from here after this big move, or at least to sell from here. But rather, it made double correction and still going up. So I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it will make A, B, C, and keep going up. So now let me go to 4 hours to show you what I think is happening. What I think is happening is it is making a big correction. So you now see why I tell you that it's good to zoom out the chart to know what is happening. So if my stop loss will hit, because I think one of my trades closed on break even. So this one may hit my stop loss. But if I'm lucky, it's beginning to correct. When market opens, I will close it at break even. Okay. So, but now this is what is happening. A, B, C. So I may need to go to between 164.7 to 168.6 before it will begin to sell. Because this will be a B. Then it will begin to sell. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on Euro JPY. I don't see it going up from here. I don't see it. Though anything can happen in the market, but I don't see it happening because I don't see a sharp 3 waves. Okay, so USD JPY. Oh, yeah. USD JPY. Let me show you something. There's what we call running flat. When I see this sharp move, I thought we are getting running flat, and I wanted to sell from here, but it keeps going up. Okay, if you zoom out, if you have experience, you will see this as a running flat because of this sharp move. Okay, that is A, B, C. So, but it have changed for running flat to maybe expanding flat. Definitely, we're going to get an expanding flat. So, which means this stop loss will hit if you sold it. So now this will be a new stop loss. So for now, meanwhile, the possibility of it turning from this place and go down, it will become just normal flat. Okay, but I think it's gonna come to this place. So 150.4, 151.8 is where I expect it to turn. I'm going to go down. So definitely it will still go down. I don't see it going all the way up from here. I don't think it's gonna happen. Because why? Look at daily again. For a long time, yen pays are going up. That's why it's going up. So I mean, you can see it. So turning from here is at least it will give us a perfect running flat. If not expanding flat, then it will keep going up. So let's keep watching for sell. Pound JPY, the same situation. So I don't see after all this big move, after all this big move, then to just make a little drop like this and begin to go up again. I don't think it's happen like that. So I expect it to drop before buying. So let's zoom out and probably go to 4 hours before we go to another pair. So you can see it's a case of clear WXY. Okay, what happened is that after this sharp move, then I was willing to sell from here, but it didn't sell. It kept going up. I didn't sell pound JPY, but if it enters my territory, my reversals, if it enters the reversal zone, I will sell. Okay. Sharp move, ABC, which turning to be ABC running flat. Okay, so once it enters this place, I look for sell. Once the price enters 197.08, 202.5, I begin to look for sell setup and probably sell it all the way down. Okay, you keep watching. I will likely share some charts during the week as the market develops. I will share some charts, but I share all the charts. You see all these pages that I analyze here. I share the charts with my students and those at my VIP group. I share the chart and more and more. So there are lots of benefit to be on my VIP channel because you get a lot. Okay, so gold, 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 um, gold is buying, but let me just go down to 1 hour. Gold is buying the correction. Last week I expected it to drop to this zone, but it seems it will not drop. So now this looks like wave one, and this is double correction, W, X, X, then Y, which will end between 2600 to 2634 to 2619. Then it will begin to buy. So maybe you not get this zone again. I say maybe you can still get to it, but maybe you will not get it again. So maybe stop loss might be here. But the best thing is to allow it to break this place. Then you buy. Stop loss will be here. Okay. So, but if it drops again to this place, it means WXY. You can now buy from here. Stop loss here. Okay. Similar thing with silver. Silver, I also want to see it drop to this place, but it did not enter there. So I'm deleting this. I'm also deleting this. Because having made a new high, it means we now get what we call leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between this place, we will buy, or if you drop further, we will buy. Either we buy here or we buy here. But dropping this low again, I don't see it happening, though it can happen. If it happens, it means that we have W, then we have X as an expanding flat, then we have Y. So it becomes an expanding flat, all of them. So, but I don't expect it. But if it happens, I won't be surprised. Okay. So let me assume that wave 4 is here. Let me assume. Okay. I will show you daily on this. Purple. Sorry, platinum. Platinum is making a complex structure. So why am I showing you this? It's simple. This is wave 1, and this is A, B, C. So this is wave 2. I don't label it. Then this is 1, 2, 3. This is 4. Then I expect it to give me 5. If it happens, it means we have gotten a leading diagonal. Then whatever we have here, we now begin to buy. And this buying, if this structure occurs as I expected, then it's one of the best trades to take between next month and the next year. We keep buying, and buying. But for now, let's go lower to 4 hours again. So what am I expecting is that we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are getting an A, B, C, which means it will likely drop to 960, 962, 958. But if it goes below 952.8, then the problem maybe from 4 is making an expanding flat and so on. But for now, let's watch this A, B, C. Okay, so until then, I'll look for buy around here. US oil. Oil. Let me go to daily and oil. I think war in Israel is trying to help oil. War in Middle East. War in Middle East. And the people, that's what's called panic buy. But one funny thing is that one of the reasons I don't pay attention to fundamental is that it doesn't last. But let me just be giving you these free educations. I don't know why I'm giving you free educations today, but take it is you're allowed to get it. So now you see oil, no matter the bombardment in Middle East, no matter the fight they are fighting, if oil doesn't come to this zone, that's 77.7 to 80.35, it remains a correction. I won't explain further, but oil can drop from here. It is still correction A, B, C. As long as oil is still here, even if it comes to this place, it is still correction. It can still drop. It will still drop. But if it comes to this zone, we only get A, B, C. Then buying will start. So having shown you this, remember, I can tell you that. Meanwhile, I have said many months ago that oil will likely go below 50. So if I come below 60, sorry, below 70, this is what the next drop, 58.4 for 7.8 is next target for oil dropping. Whether it will happen, I don't know. Whether it will happen, I don't know. But I'll show you what I see on oil before I give up on selling. If I don't see that, I will continue to sell oil. So nothing to show you on daily, or 1 hour. Anything to show you. ABC, still just not to show you here. I have shown what I wanted to show you on daily. US 100 is the British market, but this is another possibility. Meanwhile, I've not buy US 100. I haven't seen enough reason to buy. But if you drop to this place, I will be glad to look for buy. But for now, this looks like correction to me, which means it will be WXY. Okay. So to me, this is WXY forming. So let it form, then I will look for buy. But if it keeps buying from that place, I will not buy. I look for another structure. This one, if I get this drop, I'll look for buy. If not, I will not buy. I don't. I like to buy at a good price. I like to sell at a good price. Okay. I don't jump in. US 30. I also want to see it drop. Drop either to this zone or at least to this lower channel. 41.5, 41.4, 41. This is the zone. This is the zone I would like to buy. Simple. DAX. DAX. DAX will also try to sell. And no buying confirmation for now. If I see it in future, I don't know. But for now, it can just be part of the correction. But it looks like 1, 2, 3, maybe A, B, C, standing flat. 4, 5, A, B, C. Then before buying. What do you think? Or maybe this is wave A. You get A, B, C, wave B, A, B, C again before buying. So for now, I cannot buy now because what I'm looking for, I haven't seen it. Dow, the same thing. I'm looking for a further drop. Then I will buy. I don't like to buy shallow correction. To me, this move from here to here, then this as correction is too shallow for me. I want to see something deeper. Or let me put people. I want to see something deeper. So at least let me see 50%, 61% before I look for buy. Okay, so if not, let's continue going without me. LDJPY. I'll not cover this anyway, but it's part of the yen page. I saw this one from here, then it closed on break even and begin to go up. So I don't want to go there because I'm not cover it here. I'm not cover it here, but you can see it's the same structure it is making. A, B, C. So the selling from 103.1 to 107.1, we go to get another sell, either as an impulse selling or another correction. Oh, now let me go to Bitcoin, and the video is already long, 38 minutes. Anyway, it's for your own good. Maybe for next week, I begin to make short videos, 20% to 1%. For now, Bitcoin, uh, my bias on Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is buying. Okay, so all this move is correction. Here is my, this seems to be sharp, but I think we are with this, the correction is over and the buying continues. Oh, very good to 1 hour. Okay, just trying to know what Bitcoin is doing. It's like with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. Maybe A, B, C. Okay, so now if I see this on Bitcoin, I will look for buy. If I see this on Bitcoin, if I see the price drop to this zone, I will look for buy. It can be get lower, but if I buy around here, top loss will be 59,870. And once it goes in your favor, you move yourself to break even because it can make a double correction. And if it happens, then Bitcoin will likely break this place. Then here will be our aim valuation. But for now, let's keep it this place. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. And that will be the end. Other page will follow Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is buying, others will buy. If it's selling, others will sell. So this video is long already. So I don't want to continue. I don't want to continue making it longer. Ethereum, Ethereum, Ethereum dropped so deep, so deep. Let me check the Fibro level of Ethereum. Ethereum dropped so deep. Ethereum, Ethereum maybe is ripe for buying, but for now, I'm going to see it making a nice structure before I will buy. But I think it has made a very nice move down. Okay, and I will end here. If you want to know more, you can join my Telegram group. If you have time, I'll answer questions, and I also analyze any. If you want me to analyze a particular pen, you request for it. on my Telegram channel. If I have time, I'll do that. I'll be doing that. I will do that. Okay. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.